gets into your heart and soul. Well, let me tell you, baby, it's called rock and roll. Well, they say it's gonna die, but honey, please, let's face it, I just don't know what's going to replace it. Well, ballads like calypsos have got nothing on. Real country music that just drives along. Town, there's a brand new beat, and it's hanging in the air like a Mississippi heat. And my heart's a beating rhythm and my soul keeps singing the blues. Roll over Beethoven and tell Tchaikovsky the news. I got the rockin' pneumonia, I need a shot of rhythm and blues. I got the rolling arthritis sitting down by the rhythm review. Roll over Beethoven, rocking in 2x2. Well, if you feel it, you like it, go get your lover, then you really rock it. Roll it over, move on up, just try for further and really rock it. We want another roll over Beethoven, dig these rhythm and blues. Dig it, dig it. Roll over. I'm giving you a warning, don't you step on my blue suede shoes. Hey diddle diddle, I'm playing my fiddle, ain't got nothing to lose. Roll over Beethoven and tell Tchaikovsky the news. You know she wiggles like a glowworm, dancing like a spinning top. She's got a crazy partner, you ought to see them reel and rock. Long as she got a dime, the music will never stop. Well, if you feel it, you like it, go get your lover, then you really rock it. Roll it over